इमेजिन एक ऐसी लाइफ जहां घर सिर्फ स्पेस नहीं एक एक्सपीरियंस हो। नेक्स्ट स्टोरी की इस वीडियो में हम आज बात करेंगे एनसीआर के ऐसे ही एक प्रोजेक्ट की, जो कि पार्ट है प्रतीक ग्रैंड सिटी का सिद्धार्थ विहार में। प्रोजेक्ट इज प्रतीक बेगोनिया। अगर आप 2 BHK या 3 BHK क्वालिटी अपार्टमेंट्स ढूंढ रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो डेफिनेटली आपके लिए होने वाला है। वेलकम टू द नेक्स्ट स्टोरी, जहां पे हम रियल एस्टेट को बनाते हैं सिंपल, डेटा बैक्ड एंड बायर फोकस्ड। In this video, we will do a complete analytical review of Prateek Grand Begonia, covering project strengths, builder credibility, unit planning, amenities, pricing, and whether this project truly makes sense as a home or an investment. प्रतीक ग्रैंड बेगोनिया पार्ट है 40 एकड़ इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप का, जो कि है प्रतीक ग्रैंड सिटी, which itself reflects scale and planning depth of the project. Begonia focuses on a premium positioning with classical architecture, tall lobby entrances, grand 8-feet designer doors, large balconies, and well-planned landscape zones, including tropical gardens, sunken gardens, and cascade water features. Dedicated amenities are planned for every age group, and from official documents and layout, it is evident that outdoor planning and visual aesthetics are refined and thoughtfully executed. अब बायर्स का सबसे क्रिटिकल सवाल कि बिल्डर का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड कैसा है। प्रतीक ग्रुप ने 15 से 20 सालों में काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंसिस्टेंसी दिखाई है, such as Prateek Laurel, Fedora, Wisteria, Stylome, and Edifice. Several of their developments have seen 2x to 4x appreciation over time. Within the same township, Grand Peonia and Grand Carnesia are already delivered and operational, which strengthens confidence in execution quality. प्रतीक NCR का reliable premium builder है, ना unnecessary commitment, ना overhype, more grounded delivery. Siddharth Vihar, located on NH9 corridor, is one of the fastest growing residential micro-markets. The project is just 2 minutes from RRTS station, offering rapid connectivity to Delhi. Akshardham is approximately 10 minutes away, India Gate around 20 minutes, and South Delhi within 25 minutes. With direct highway connectivity to Noida, Delhi, Ghaziabad, along with future-ready infrastructure such as proposed malls, schools, and commercial zones within the township, Begonia scores very high on connectivity. बेगोनिया के एमिनिटीज का स्केल इम्प्रेसिव है। The clubhouse includes a swimming pool, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, party lawns, yoga, Zumba, and aerobics room, along with dedicated reading spaces. The sports zone features box cricket, lawn tennis, jogging tracks, squash court, snooker, billiards, chess, and carom. The green zones include tropical gardens, sunken amphitheater, cascade water features, living gardens, and children's play parks. Additionally, every parking space is equipped with EV charging, which adds future value. Begonia offers thoughtfully planned 2 BHK and 3 BHK configurations. The 2 BHK Elite, which is of 1075 square feet, is ideal for nuclear families and is a compact yet premium layout. The 2 BHK Deluxe of 1280 square feet adds a study room and a larger living dining area, making it suitable for work from home kind of buyers. The 3 BHK Deluxe, which is of 1500 square feet, offers a balanced layout with 3 bedrooms, making it one of the best value for money options. The 3 BHK Premium, which is of 1810 square feet in the Imperial Towers, includes a family lounge, larger balconies, and more privacy focused planning. And lastly, the 3 BHK Luxury, which is of 2200 square feet, caters to luxury buyers. Unit plans का distribution काफी thoughtfully done है। Buyers को useful carpet area के साथ big balconies का blend मिलता है। If we talk about specifications, you can see all the specifications on your screen right now, and it's clear that finishes and materials used belong to a premium category. इस पूरे इकोसिस्टम में रहना एक complete lifestyle experience जैसा फील होता है। बेगोनिया की प्राइसिंग की बात करें तो प्राइसिंग कम्पिटिटिव है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लोकेशन एंड टाउनशिप स्केल। एग्जैक्ट प्राइसिंग वेरी करता है कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और फ्लोर पर, बट करेंटली प्रोजेक्ट सिट्स इन मिड प्रीमियम प्राइस बैंड इन सिद्धार्थ विहार। Compared to Noida, Indrapuram and Delhi pricing, Begonia feels value for money. Investment perspective से township appreciation historically अच्छा है। Prateek Grand Begonia is well suited for families looking for a premium township lifestyle, buyers who prioritize builder credibility and solid specifications, professionals working in Delhi or Noida requiring fast connectivity, and investors seeking steady appreciation. If you want a blend of architecture, greenery, lifestyle and brand reliability, Begonia deserves a place on your shortlist.
ये था नेस्टोरी का एनालिटिकल ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ प्रतीक ग्रैंड बेगोनिया। अगर आप साइट विजिट, प्रोजेक्ट कंपैरिजन या यूनिट एनालिसिस चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट करिए या हमसे कनेक्ट करिए इस नंबर पर। इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू नेस्टोरी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।